play that. I want to do it.
Hey.
Dad, I'm not going to watch videos.
Well, don't grab it out of my hand, Sophie, please.
Can you play this with me? H-I-O-P. Dad, do you want to play H-I-O-P for me, Anna? Yeah, let's play H-I-O-P. Dad, pick the letters. What's in your name?
This is how Lexi plays. It. You said snot.
Daddy,
you said snot.
No, I
didn't. Okay.
Dad, there's snot.
You said snot.
No,
what?
Dad.
What? Okay.
I'm trying to say something. There's not.
Snot. You said snot.
No.
Didn't you? I thought you did. You said it's snot?
No.
Wait. Okay. Say it again. I'm trying to listen. I'm trying to listen. Snot?
No.
That's not what you're saying?
Dad, I'm not saying it's not. I'm saying there's
Snot? What?
There's not. No. Dad, just listen to the whole thing.
Okay.
There's not that many S's.
Oh, there aren't?
Yeah, so I wanna look for them, and I wanna know where they are, because I think there's one S and there's another S, and I don't know where the S is.
Okay. Are there any S's?
Yeah.
Oh, you got two? Okay.
Remember last time I had all the S's and I had the E's and the H's and the P's, but no I's, and I don't know where all the other S's are.
Yeah, that's where they all went, Lex. Right where you threw them.
No.
Soph.